And alright, hi guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, JChristoph. I am playing Roblox Build-A-Boat. Today I am building a basement for my house. This is the second part to the video. So if you don't know that, go look at my last video. It's gonna be that one. So anyway, right now, sorry for the terrible audio, but right now I'm building boxes for the basement as decorations. So basically, that's a box. So, yeah, it's just a box. Okay, just have fun watching. Okay, there's no music, so I mean, is it boring or no? So please tell me in the comments of what you think, and I will make a part 3 because this video just ends up stopping. But yeah, this is an open cardboard box. What do you think? I mean, it's Build-A-Boat, so if you don't know this game, then... But anyway, let me just tell you the plans for this video right now. So, the first thing is what you're watching right now, decorations for the basement. The second thing we're doing is... The second thing is that I'm going to be messing with my friend. I am not going to say his name for privacy reasons. And the third thing No, sorry. The second thing is going to be building his plushie for his avatar, and the third thing is going to be just messing around. Or is it the opposite way? Oh well, we're about to find out. And it's just messing around with him. Yeah, I did not make a script for this. I'm sorry. I'm just talking, so it doesn't have to be completely quiet for the video. Next time I will add
all credit goes to Toby Fox, creator of Undertale. This is Spear of Justice by Toby Fox.
Music of the actual game in the next video, so then you guys can hear it. Otherwise, right now is just silence. So right now, what I'm going to do is build a Pokeball around this time. Come on, me, build it. And just like the last video, this is all pre-recorded. And there it is right there. That's the Pokeball. So, again, this is all pre-recorded, and it's just awkward of me standing here in my recording closet and talking to the phone. Yeah, I'm using a phone to edit this. What do you think? I was using a computer? No, it's a phone. Anyway, that's the Pokeball done. By the way, Undertalecrossover is his Roblox username, which you can see him right there. Later when we do his plushie, it's going to be so hard. I mean, look at that. Look at that avatar. It had so much stuff on it. But that was in the past for me, so I don't really have much to worry about. But, yeah. Just have fun watching. Okay, here it is. The plushies. The plushies, as you can clearly see, as what I said, make you. I'm talking to Vince. I'm talking to Undertalecrossover. So, yeah. Right now, that's his plushie. I'm building it as well. His shoes are a dark green. His avatar, not him in real life. So, there, as you can clearly see, dark green with some white. So, yeah, there's his plushie. It's slowly being worked on. I hope it looks good in the end for you guys. I am not sure if it does look good. You tell me in the comments. Tell me if everything looks good, bad, or just straight up terrible. So, next time I know if to do this or not. Yeah, so that's his unicorn thing. Is that a unicorn? Yeah, it's a unicorn. So that's the floaty he has around him. That's just me building the plushie. And you guys do not know how hard it was to do this. His avatar was very hard to do, but it was fun. So, yeah, they're just slow clips of me building. Anyway, that was a door. I'm sorry for the terrible audio. His eyes are falling. Guys, someone help. His eyes are falling. Help. His eyes are falling. Okay, I think we fixed it. Fun fact. When you make a plushie and build a custom one, just use the scale tool and the paint block thing. Paint tool. That's all you need. Also, I'm sorry for this recording to be upside down. I did not have a choice in this. I ended up flipping my phone, and then I just messed up the recording. I'm sorry, guys. But that's the way it is. So, just enjoy this upside down thing. Anyway, yeah, the order was, and now is, first, the house decoration for the basement. Second, the plushie. And third, messing with him. By messing with him, we're just, like, messing around. I don't know exactly. But, spoiler alert for the next video, which none of you have seen yet, unless you're from the future. Basically, we're going to be building the last part of the basement. And much more. So, yeah, that's the plushie done. Now we're just messing around. So, I know. He jumped off. Of course he did. But, in all seriousness, dude, if you're watching this, hi. Leave a comment. So the viewers know that you watched it. Okay? Okay. And yeah, that's the video. Pretty much it. For the next video, just keep watching. Or stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye!